Okay, so this building's lobby here has just been completely refurbished, but amazingly, the lift has remained original. New lick of paint on the doors, but... Oh! The cab's had a bit of a refresh. But she's still a Lexan. Not sure what that's supposed to be about the consulting engineers. Nice OTIS Lexan. It's maintained by Petone. There's your capacity. Here we are back at ground. Awesome. Honestly, when I knew that this building was getting done up, I was seriously expecting this lift to get modernised or replaced, but no, just a cab renovation and the rest of it remains original. Awesome.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.